Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Shazwan bin Abdul Mukmin. My metric number is 271219 and right now I'm going to present to you our company profile. But before I start my presentation, let's watch this video. Hi, it's me again, Shazwan. I'm here to discuss further on our company profile. As we all know right now, a lot of people in the world love to consume their coffee's product. So this is when Diamond Coffee play their role. Diamond Coffee is the manufacturer that sold quality coffee to the consumer. Our mission is to provide the consumer with a friendly and enjoyable environment where a good coffee, service and entertainment can be enjoyed at a fair price. On the other hand, our vision is to improve the life of our consumer by providing a high-quality coffee to them. We believe that by implementing this vision and mission in our business, we will gain our consumer trust and loyalty towards our product. Next is about our organizational structure. The organizational structure of Diamond Coffee affects all business areas including management, leadership, communication and others that are essential to our performance. Diamond Coffee is evolving to ensure that our operating structure will mesh with existing market standards. Other than that, as you can see in the slide right now, this is some of the product that we offer at Diamond Coffee. We offer more than 20 premium coffee including coffee latte, romano, cappuccino and mocha. Diamond Coffee also provide our consumer with a fresh food like baked pastries, sandwich and salad as a side to our main product in the store. Not only that, a lot of merchandise has been offered to our consumer including mugs and book with a Diamond Coffee's logo on it. And last but not least is about how we store our product at Diamond Coffee. The method used are different based on the type of our coffee. It is best stored in a cool environment so that the coffee will not lose its flavor. We also use a vacuum packed box and regular jute bags to store our coffee bean. The bag need to be opened in their first week to release the carbon dioxide generated by the coffee bean so that the consistency of our coffee will not be affected. These have to be done so that the product that we export to the Europe countries such as Brazil, Colombia, Switzerland and Germany are the best kind of product that we can offer. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Zarif, metric number 271171 and I want to present about international market overview. The first country we choose is Brazil. Brazil has suffered economic hardship over the last few years. Coffee is the second most valuable commodity in the world and Brazil is the largest coffee producer. New government aims to minimize government interference on local markets, remove corruption in the government, open up Brazil to international involvement. In Brazilian society, coffee is their source of pride. It is not only because of its quality, but also because it supports the country itself. In 1840, Brazil became the world's leading producer of coffee and has since kept the level. The country's coffee growing is over 16,000 miles from 3 million square meters. Brazil has the fifth biggest global population and a rapidly rising middle class. The scale of complexity of the consumer market have offered international companies exciting opportunities. Brazil has been long a world leader in agriculture and it's easy to do business in Brazil. Brazil is also ranked as the 7th most difficult place in 84 countries for compliance with business regulations. Second country is Colombia. The economy in the Republic of Colombia is the 4th largest economy of Latin America, with a population of approximately 49 million. In politics, the background of Colombia's political transition has its unique challenge since the signing of the historic peace agreement in 2016. Coffee has acquired a much more socio-economic position in Colombia. Colombians encounter friends and families through a cup of coffee. Ease of doing business in Colombia is because coffee is important to Colombia's sociable communities and a key to their happiness. For regulations procedure in Colombia, an exporter is needed to arrange with a custom agency to import the goods and clear them through customs. Next country is Switzerland. The economic freedom score of Switzerland is 82.0, which makes the economy the fifth country in the 2020 ranking. Coffees are contributing about 138,000 tons of green coffees per year to the economic development of Switzerland. This shows that their culture is drinking coffee. Switzerland has a unique federal structure with a weak central government and levels of corruption are exceedingly low. This shows that doing business in Switzerland is safe. The drivers that changed the coffee industry in Switzerland is because of COVID-19. The rising popularity of Swiss coffee culture is opportunity to do business in the country. Switzerland has been the World Trade Organization WTO since 1995. The trade weight average in Switzerland is applied according to guideline of WTO. The last country is Germany. The economic freedom ranking in Germany is 73.5. However, according to the IMF, the country had recorded the weakest growth rate in 2019. This is due to the falling demand of worldwide capital goods and political crisis. Germany has the largest coffee roasting industry in Europe, with a sold production volume of 551,000 tons in 2018. The coffee markets in the country show continuous growth and accounted for 26% of the total European coffee consumption. The drivers that change the coffee industry is due to the rising demand for specialty coffee. The opportunities in Germany market is sales of sustainability certified coffee in Germany are showing steady growth. German law is based on EU law, applicable to coffee under the regulations. That's all from me, and I pass this presentation to the next person. Thank you.
Good morning, madam. My name is Young Yuwa with matrix number 270986. In my part, I'm going to talk about the SWOT in each market, and first, we will start with Brazil. The strength of our company is the innovations of new products in terms of taste. The new flavor able to refresh their taste bud and distinguish our company from others, which also capture the attentions of younger people and develop a different customer base. However, the weakness of our company is low brand awareness. As a result, Brazilians are unable to recognize our company image and refuse to associate with our products. Nevertheless, our company is given an opportunity to partner with other corporates in Brazil. This can act as a starting point to introduce our products, increase reputations, brand awareness, and market share. Last but not least, the threat in Brazil is high competition. Brazil is the largest coffee producer in the world and have many top coffee manufacturers. Thus, our market positions will be affected. Next, Colombia. The strength of our company is at different prices according to product qualities to attract different classes of customer. They can purchase the coffee according to their economical capabilities, and preference will result in an increased customer base. The weakness of our company is the absence of unique products. Products are easy to imitable by competitors, and this makes our company unable to become outstanding in the markets and losing customer interest. Despite this, as Colombia is well known with quality coffee bean, this gives us an opportunity in sourcing high quality of raw materials and extend our supplier network. As a result, company will gain a reputation and positions in the market. However, the political violence in Colombia will threaten our life, and company will also expose to the risk of product damage, deterioration, and shrinkage in the exporting process. Thirdly, Switzerland. The strength of our company is product diversifications, provide numerous of choice and satisfy different customer preference. This can strengthen customer loyalty in Switzerland. In other hand, our weakness is standardization of products. We are offering almost the same products and neglect the fitness of products. The products may unacceptable by the country peoples and cause loss of customer base. The opportunity in exporting products to Switzerland is low taxation rates. This enables us to reduce our company costs and boost profit. Nevertheless, Switzerland is high concern on health. As caffeine will affect people's health, thus it causes them to move away from coffee, resulting in sales decrease. Lastly, Germany. The strength of our company is a designated applications. This enables customers to order online, subscribe, and get rewards. Thus, increase the satisfaction of German peoples. And our weakness is insufficient investment in technology. Hence, it will increase the time, labor, and cost in manufacturing coffees. Company will also face with shortage and customers are tend to switch to other brands. While in the aspect of opportunities, Germany has a good economical conditions which lead to high purchasing power. Customers are willing to spend more and move toward to premium coffee. Thus, company may gain more profit. However, the trick when exporting products to Germany is its people are relatively loyal to local brands. It is difficult to grab their attention and convince them to buy our products. Company needs to take more efforts and time in developing brands, which loss may also occur in extra spending. That's all for my parts today. Thank you.
Good morning, madam. My name is Pang Shi Ting, matrix number 270X66. Now, I would like to introduce the PEST, which is the Politics, Economy, Social, and Technology Analysis of 4 countries. First and foremost, the politics of Brazil has a great potential in many fields. It has a strong political and economic relationship with many countries. However, they are facing a corruption problem, which the corruption problem are continuing to worsen. The businessmen must be paid the government representative and official even they just start a small business. Therefore, some businessmen are unwilling to trade in Brazil. Next is the economy. Economy of Brazil is one of the 4 largest recipients of FDI globally, and the Brazil growth rate is very high because of the large population and the influx of FDI. Brazil is also ranked first among the world top 10 coffee producing countries, and its coffee production has peaked in 2017 with the coffee production as approximately 55 million bags of coffee. That's quite a lot. Then thirdly is the social of Brazil. Brazil is a diverse country and its total population is almost 200 million. The Portuguese is their main language and most of the Brazilian is Christian. Today, Brazil is also faced a lot of social challenges like the discrimination, lack of the popular education, accommodation, and health service for million people. But in the technology aspect, Brazil is one of the largest ICT market, especially when it comes for the software for web and mobile development. Next country is Colombia. Colombia's political situation has been in a state of chaos because of the threat of guerrillas. The election process has been interrupted many times by the interferences. Next is the economy. Colombia is the country of a founding members of Pacific Union and has signed a free trade agreement with many countries. The economy of Colombia is highly dependent on oil, coffee, and cassava to being exported. It is also a top manufacturer and exporter of the coffee in the world. Next is the social factor. Colombia's social status is unequally and nearly 40% of the wealth are belong to 1% of the population. 21 children of Colombia are under the age of 5 die from the drinking unsafe water, and the sexual violence problem is widespread because the women are facing a series of obstacles in the ensure protecting. For the technology, Colombia have to improve their technology and innovation, so their government has allocated more resources to develop the research project. The government has also held a ministry meeting to plan to the position Colombia become one of the most innovative economy by 2025. Next is Switzerland. Switzerland is a democratic republic with 26 regions. Switzerland can express their direct voice through the national voice every year, and it is also one of the 60 countries in the world with a very stable political environment. For the economy, Switzerland, their GDP has hit $703.8 billion in 2019, which is 0.58% of the global economy. The advantage of Swiss economy are highly skilled, depend on highly skilled labor, high purchasing power, low tax rate, higher development infrastructure, and a stable business environment. Moreover, due to the low unemployment and booming service, the Switzerland has become one of the world's and most competitive economies. For the social factor, the total population of Switzerland are approximately 8.6 million. Their people are pursuing a good quality of life, and the average life for the both men and women are over 80 years. The country is also have become one of the higher wages for the worker, and its healthcare system and education policies are also amongst the best in the world. However, they are also facing a rapidly against population problem. In the technology factor, Switzerland has been named as the most innovation country in 2019 by the Global Innovation Index. To improve the life of the elders, Switzerland has excellent research in a field medical, robotics, and the architecture. Last but not least, I will explain about the PEST of Germany. Germany is a democratic republic that have a good relationship with many countries, which brought a lot of benefit to it. Germany is not only a core member of EU, which is the European Union, but also a major member of, in many international organizations such as the INF G20. For the economic factor, Germany GDP has reached 4.2 trillion US dollar in 2019 and making it become the fourth largest economy in the world. It is also one of the countries with the lowest unemployment rate in the world, which is 3.2 unemployment rate. And the social factor of Germany, Germany is the Europe's second most populous region with the total population of over 82 million, and most of the Germans are Christian. Germany is very famous with the excellent working condition for its citizens. In Germany, their employees are very enjoy about the generous benefits such as the most extended holiday in European Union and the highest salary and the job protection. Last but not least is about the Germany technology factor. They are the fifth most technology advanced nation in the world, and they have a very long history of innovation and research. It is a pioneer in many fields, including the medical, scientific research, logistics, military technology, engineering, and architecture.
Hi, I'm Nur Fatin Shafika. So I'll continue my part, which is analysis and recommendation. So after we do analysis on all of the country, we found out that Switzerland is the best location for diamond coffee to export. This is because Switzerland were ranked as the fifth freest economy in the world 2020. So it proved that they have a stable economy. By the way, Colombia, Brazil, Germany, they make a coffee as their source of economy. So it will create barrier to entry for us to compete more fiercely to get into the market. Next, the population of Switzerland give a space for diamond coffee to reach widely. There are 8.1 million people with a good quality of life will assure chances in high demand of our product as they're able to afford it. In contrast, Colombia, mostly their population are poor and difficult for them to afford our product. And Brazil, they often discriminate races and gender, which will give a negative vibe in our business. Besides, Switzerland also known as the safest country in the world, which gives us clear idea to do a business in peacefully. Compared to Brazil, they always involved in corruption. Colombia, they often threatened by guerrilla, and Germany also face political crisis too. Apart from that, Switzerland have excellent research in field of biomechanics, agriculture, medicine and robotics. Their technological advancement may help Diamond Coffee upgrade system in business and quality of product. Diamond Coffee will use a concentration strategy, as this is our first time export to Europe country. So it will be a huge gap between our country and their country in terms of weather, language, culture, and many more. So Diamond Coffee definitely will take a long time to adapt with surrounding. And lastly, Diamond Coffee recommend to do a joint venture with their local company. For example, Toblerone. Diamond Coffee will provide coffee flavor into the chocolate. It will not only attract customer, but it will capture attention investor and other company to collab with us soon. In conclusion, it will give us a win-win situation, as both party will get benefits. I think that's all from us. Thank you so much.